Let's say this is you, and you're running a highly successful HVAC service business. Your customers simply love you. Everything's going great, except for one day when the town gets hit by a massive heat wave. Now all of a sudden the phone starts ringing, but it's not with happy customers. Customers are angry. They're yelling things like, "Hey, my HVAC system is not working. When can you be here?" Or, "Hey, I called you 20 minutes ago. You're not here yet." Or, "Hey, my customers are melting to the ground. Hey, they're fleeing like rats. Hey, you got to come over and help right away." Does this sound familiar? Yep, you got it. Your switchboard and your dispatch is burning to the ground thanks to angry customers. And this isn't entirely your fault, because you may have too few techs to handle such peaks. So maybe there is a better strategy. Maybe we can use modern technology so to make sure that we never have angry customers again. If I said to you that that was the case, would that be of interest? So let me ask you this question. What if we could make every rooftop unit call for help by itself, as opposed to having the customer call when something is really bad? What would that look like? What if each unit you're responsible for could magically call for a new air filter, or let you know that, hey, one of the contactors are stuck, or I need a new blower, or I need a new compressor? What would that do to your business? With that kind of information, would it help you plan better? And if you could plan better and knew ahead of time what parts to bring, will that allow you to fix more things the first time? Something we know that customers really do appreciate. You don't have to run 4 or 5 times back and forth. You are fixing it once and fixing it right. What would that do to your business? Would that actually increase your profits? I think you will answer yes to those 3 things. And if you did, you're going to love what I'm about to show you now. Smart HVAC. What is Smart HVAC? It's really a strategy. It's a cloud-based strategy where you're making each individual unit that you're responsible for super smart by using modern computer technology. Each system you're responsible for gets a universal sensor kit. This universal sensor kit is cloud-based and has 5 easy-to-install sensors. 1 for supply air temperature, 1 for return air temperature, a current sensor for the blower motor, and a current sensor for the compressor, and finally a differential airflow sensor. It mounts on any system regardless of make and age, and it can be all installed in less than 30 minutes. Let me show you just how easy that is. You start with the data collection unit. That is the wireless computer that mounts on the side of the rooftop unit. Then you wire up the individual sensors and finally connect to the power supply. And that's it. You're up and running. From that moment on, that particular rooftop unit is now participating in a smart HVAC cloud strategy, where every single unit that you're responsible for will be gathering data about that particular system's behavior, sending it to the cloud, where machine learning and analytics are making sense of it all and giving you precise information that you can take action on in your call center and your dispatch. Finally, there is a mobile app for the technicians that they can actually see precisely what's going on a given system, on a given roof, as they are rolling up to the customer site. That's it. That's the power of a smart, cloud-based HVAC solution. So imagine what that does to your business. Instead of coming out 4 times a year doing regular preventive maintenance, now you'll be on the roof 24/7, all year. Rain, sleet, snow, hail, it doesn't matter. You will see it all. You will be way ahead of the game and know precisely what's going on with the customer's unit long before he even notices that there is anything wrong. You will know if that system needs attention long before the customer is negatively affected. And one more thing. You might think that this has to do with expensive building automation systems. Well, not at all. Thanks to modern technology and lower cost cloud computing, we are offering this at 1/8 the cost per square foot compared to a traditional building automation system. So now everyone, including you, can afford to get started on a smart HVAC strategy. So gain that competitive edge. Now is the time to make your business and your HVAC smart.